Hi, today I'm for your Redmi Note 12 and I'll show you how to fingerprint scanner test on this device. So let's first just check. We can see that the fingerprint unlock just worked correct. It just unlocked the device. So as you can see, this option works fast and correct, and we just unlock the device successfully just in a couple of times. So you can try this unlock method, but don't forget that the fingerprint is less secure than the passcode or PIN code unlock methods. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.